So the next thing we do now is what? Let us introduce, because the object that is moved in the what? Along the circular path is moving with what? With respect to what? Time. So you now introduce time taken to this equation what? 3. What? Divide both sides by what? By t. We will introduce what? Time t to what? To this equation 3. You will now have x over what? Over t. Then theta r over what? Over t. By dividing this equation 3 by what? By t. You will have this. Again, recall from linear motion. Velocity, linear velocity equals to the what? Displacement x over what? Over t. And from equation what? Equation 1 here. Our angular velocity equal to the what? Theta over t. And what? Omega equal to the what? Theta over what? Over t. This one from this equation 1. This from linear velocity in motion. Abi? By substitute for the each, what we have now? We have v linear velocity equal to the what? Omega r. This is what? Equation what? Equation 4. This equation 4 tells us what? Linear velocity is the product of what? Angular velocity and it's what? The radius. So the next thing here to determine is what? To determine the period. To what? Determine the period t in circular motion. Circular what? Motion. So how are we going to determine the time taken or the period of an object that moves along a circular track? That's what? Since velocity is the displacement per unit time. And mathematically, velocity is what? Displacement per unit what? Time. And our displacement here in circular motion is the same thing as what? Perimeter of circle. And t is what? Is this. You can now have v, this. What is the formula for the perimeter of the circle? The total, the perimeter of what? Of circle is what? Is 2 pi what? R over what? Over t. The displacement in this perimeter of circle is 2 pi r over what? Over t. T is what? Is period. And we're looking at the one for the period. Make t your formula here. What we're going to have? We have t should be equal to what? 2 pi r over v. V is what? The velocity. Linear velocity. Now I say what? From equation 4 here. What is linear velocity? Is omega what? R. You will now substitute it here. You have t should be equal to what? 2 pi r over what? What is from equation 4? From equation 4, Abi, velocity is what? V equal to, let me write it here, omega r. Then put it here. Omega what? R. This r cancels this r. You now have what? 2 pi over what? Omega. Have you now? So our t equal to the what? 2 pi over what? Omega This is another way of writing what? Speed. You can call this one what? Equation 5. But again, recall in SHM, after this topic, next one we move to what? Simple harmonic motion. From SHM, omega equal to the what? 2 pi f. Omega, no, the what? 2 pi what? F. Substitute for it here, you have period t should be equal to the what? 2 pi over 2 pi what? F. This cancel each other. Then you now have what? T equal to what? 1 over what? Frequency. So this is the what? The formula for period in circular motion. Equation what? 6. Our period is the reciprocal of what? Of frequency. That's what? The period in circular what? In circular motion. So the next thing we need to check is centripetal acceleration. So the next thing is centripetal force. And the centripetal acceleration, here are what? A substitute what? C. So centripetal acceleration can be defined as acceleration that keeps a body to move along a circular path. Any acceleration that is what? That keeps a body to move along this circular what? Circular path is called centripetal what? Acceleration. Or we can also call it what? Radial acceleration. It's an acceleration that keeps a body to move toward the center of a what? Of a circle, or is an acceleration that makes a body to move along a what? A circular path is called centripetal what? Acceleration. So the centripetal acceleration, it can be expressed mathematically as what? AC equal to the what? V square over R. So this is the formula for what? Centripetal acceleration. Acceleration that keeps a body to move along the circular path, or an acceleration that keeps a body to move toward the center of a what? Of a circle is called centripetal acceleration. Mathematically is what? A equal to what? V square over what? Over R. This V is linear velocity. R is what? Is the radius of what? Of circle. We can call this equation what? Equation 7. So you can substitute for what? For this V, linear velocity, from equation 4. You can say what? From equation what? Equation 4, our V equal to the what? Omega R. Put it here. You have centripetal acceleration to be what? Omega R, everything square, over R. If you open the bracket, we have omega square, R square over R. So this R cancel one R here. Finally, we have centripetal acceleration to be what? Omega square R. So this is another way of expressing centripetal what? Acceleration. That will be what? Equation what? Equation 8. So the next thing is what? Let us look at what? Centripetal force.